Today, in this video, let's take a look what is the features and benefits of the new Ultra Boost 5. Upper. The upper is made of the new adaptive Prime Knit upper that offers enhanced fit with better breathability. And the midsole is made of Light Boost technology, is a reconstructed build that offers the highest energy return and offers more responsiveness in the heel and midfoot. 9mm more boost than the previous model while the weight is reduced by 34 grams. This shoe is the lightest Ultra Boost to date. Now, let's find out how the Boost technology developed. The Boost technology is made of expanding thermoplastic polyurethane. Particles expanded to form closed cells around tiny pockets of air. The resulting product is known as expanded thermoplastic polyurethane, or ETPU for short. And then the outsole. Outsole is made of Continental rubber for durability, better traction for wet and dry places. And also, it has torsion system that helps provide support in the midfoot and adds a bit of rotational stiffness, and it is placed between lightweight Boost midsole and Continental outsole to help control your strides better. And this new shoe's Ultra Boost 5 is best for daily training, jogging, and walking.